In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook account completely private. But before that, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. First is open up Facebook app and then tap at menu. Then tap that gear icon to open up settings. Just tap on privacy checkup. You'll be taken to this page where you should tap at who can see what you share. Then tap continue and now you'll be able to choose who can see your contacts information, including your phone number, email, birthday, hometown, and all that stuff. You can tap at that drop down and change it to only me. Once you've done, just press next. For default audience, you can click on the drop down menu again and then select to only me. It's the same about stories. If you also want to limit your past posts, you can hit at limit and this will change. You can see past posts that were public to only friends. Keep in mind that anyone tagging the post may still see it. After that, hit next and now you'll be able to block someone who will no longer be able to see your posts and won't add and start a conversation with you. To do that, just hit add to blacklist option, then just search for that user. Then hit block button next to username. Next, hit at next, and basically that's it. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!